Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to connect Discord with AI tools for automation in 2026. So if you want smart replies, auto moderation, and fully automated workflows, yeah, this beginner guide will help you step by step. First, understand what you can automate. So auto replies, moderation, welcome messages, content posting, and role assignment. Next, choose an AI tool. I mean, you can use AI chatbots, automation bots, or integration platforms that connect with Discord. So yeah, invite your bot into your Discord server. Make sure it has permissions like reading messages, sending messages, and managing roles. Now connect the AI tool to Discord using API keys, webhooks, or integration platforms. This is what allows the AI to send and receive messages. So yeah, create rules like if user says help, send support reply, or if new member joins, send welcome message. This is where automation becomes smart. Next, turn on AI smart replies so the bot can understand questions and respond naturally. This makes your server feel alive and interactive. Now test everything. So send messages, join as a new user, and check if the AI responds correctly. Finally, improve your system over time. Add more commands, better responses, and advanced automation features. And that's how to connect Discord with AI tools for automation in 2026. Once everything is set up, your server can basically run itself with smart AI systems. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more Discord automation tutorials.